Ooh. Oh, it sounds amazing.
I've got full faith in CDB. They're not crashing.
If you want me to slow down, I can slow down, Leo. Yes guys, we are back with the BMW M235i, and today we're going on a drive. Basically, we're going to prioritise country roads for this one. It's good. We're going to try and make it as good as possible, as enjoyable, is that the right word? Enjoyable as possible for you guys. Yeah, I mean, look, how many months have I had it now? It's like 2-3 months? Something like that. Yeah, I love it. I mean, let's just let's walk around the car while we're here. Obviously, it's an M235i, therefore, it has the big boy N55 engine. It's looking fresh, recent oil change, well, 100 miles or so ago, but it's looking great. Obviously, this is a 3 litre, it pushes 326 brake, I think, maybe 320, but it's just amazing. But obviously, we can't talk about the engine without showing you how the exhaust sounds.
Yo, bruv.
As you can tell, it sounds amazing. Basically, it's fully stock. However, I have realised that this is a res delete. The reason why I'm showing you guys the exhaust setup is because we're actually getting a sports cat soon. Well, actually, I've already got it. It's not on the car because I'm waiting on 2 clamps. Stupid me, didn't look at the delivery date of them, expecting it to come sometime the week. Instead, it's getting shipped in 3 weeks. So, hopefully in the next video, we should have the installation video. Let's just jump in driving. You know, I've had it a few months now. I'm trying to show you what I can do on the back roads of it now. We're going to keep it as tame as possible, but I'm going to be trying as hard as I can to send it for you guys. So, let's go. Right. Let's get moving. Those burbles sound nice. But you hear the turbo? You do, innit? You proper hear the turbo spooling.
Did you hear that after?
Okay. People who haven't experienced a rear-wheel drive car don't know the feeling of like being pushed through a corner. I mean, you don't even. You don't either.
And that crossing was like left.
Is that an S2000?
Yeah. Left it.
Why'd you call it a crossing?
Because it is a crossing.
Right, my valve's definitely got louder since I unplugged that valve. So basically, I unplugged the valves in the exhaust guys. So now they're always open. Ooh. Turned it a bit too far there. That was seconds away from just being in the bush there. If I pulled that a little bit further, I turned a bit too hard. Oh, it sounds amazing. In hell. Road's wet.
Oh yeah?
Whoa! Traction kicking in, even though I'm in Sports Plus. Whoa. This car, bro, it's so loud.
It sounds so...
How am I not happy with this sound?
You can always be happy, but you can be even happier.
Is that your seatbelt? No, parking brake. Ooh.
The amount of times I do.
But when I downshift now, it'll do it. You felt that? Oh! Did you hear those pops?
Wow. What the f***?
Bro, it sounds like I'm in a plane. It sounds like I'm in a plane.
What the f***?
It actually sounds like a plane.
It's gonna be even louder when you get the cat on.
It's because it's warm now, it's proper warm. Might even be overheating, we don't know. It's when I go up to them high RPMs.
Are you hearing when it's doing the
Nah,
air off? That's what you call it.
I can't really hear it.
Blow off valve. That went low.
Who are they?
Oh, he was coming round.
People who don't give a f*** and they just go around blind bends.
They don't care.
Whoa, 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 bird, get out of the way.
Never slow down for birds.
Bro, I always slow. Brother, no, they're not going to move if I'm going 200 towards them, are they? And you can't even see me.
200 there.
Might have been. No, definitely won't. Let's just reiterate that for the YouTube. I'm sure Mr. Policeman, you could tell I wasn't going 200.
Well, this is where I was following the Fed yesterday, isn't it?
Yeah, but coming that way.
Yeah. Oh. I got full faith in CDB, man. We're not crashing.
No, we're not.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, knew it. That's why I braked. Yeah, I can't see. Yeah. Wow.
Oh, what is that? That's a chicken.
Bro, there's a dead chicken. We got to blur that on YouTube.
This is a
Instagram Reels will eat that up.
Yeah, man.
East of my road. That little downshift.
That was good.
My brake's going to be steaming.
What, there's a mosquito above my head. This guy just, not on me.
Move your head forward. I'm gonna throw it out the window.
I'm ducked down.
Yeah, it's gone. It's dead.
Didn't realise how tight the bend was. Looks so good. I feel like if you having to say that means you might not.
No, I genuinely do.
If you want me to slow down, I can slow down, Leo.
No, speed up. Push it like I would.
Leo, I've been pushing it more.
You have been pushing it. He's been doing good. Don't worry about it. Charlie's a bit of a safe driver. It's an issue he's got.
It's an issue, by the way, guys. It's an issue. It's an issue. It's an issue because I'm a safe driver. I don't know why my car keeps doing this. One thing wrong with my car. It just keeps... don't know why it keeps doing this, man. It just keeps taking me to McDonald's. I just don't know why. It's just always happening. It's just pissing me off at this point. I don't know why it keeps doing that. My car is broken. It just...
What's it doing?
It pulls us into McDonald's, and then we go in there, but we have to make our trip worthwhile, because he would just get upset. So we had to buy just some drinks. That's all we got. Just a few drinks.
All we got was drinks.
So, bit annoying that it happens, but it does.
That's tight.
This is the tight corners, you say.
Holding me, so
I know,
I can't go forward.
It does, it's so annoying. You sure we're turning?
Yeah.
Right guys, that is the end of today's video. Obviously, the main man Leo has been pretty much the cameraman in all these videos recently. So let me know if you guys like Leo's in the video. Also let me know if you don't like him so I can get rid of him. I don't want him here, but you guys seem to like him. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see me and Leo almost f my car up doing an oil change, click up there. Otherwise, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Goodbye guys.